So Tommy, I know with the big box stores, they promote that they have a one coat system. Do you guys have anything like that?
We don't promote a one-coat system, and there's a reason why. You know, it's easy to promote a one-coat system and say, hey, our paint covers in one coat, and then when people come in and they purchase the paint, and then, you know, it doesn't cover in one coat, and they go back and they go, hey, it didn't cover in one coat, you know, and then what they do is they sell them another gallon or give them another gallon, whatever it is. You know, you don't want people's expectations that high, because sometimes things just need a couple coats of paint. It's as simple as that. You know, even when you're using our best, I can take this Aura matte finish in just about any color and go over another color and cover it in one coat. You know, most people aren't skilled enough to do something like that. You know, you take an average homeowner, you know, they don't paint once every 10 years or whatever. You know, they're not going to paint the way you're going to paint or the way one of your guys are going to paint. So, you know, the one coat system to me is more of a marketing tool than anything. You know, we just try to be honest with people up front. I'm going to sell you a quality product. It's probably going to cover in one coat, but understand it may not.